Okay, so we got our Reaper Bones Kickstarter box in the mail finally, and right up top we have Caladrax, probably the biggest model I own actually. Been looking forward to this guy, Cthulhu. Some paperwork, looks like advertisement for the paint line, SKUs for everything that I ordered, and a tutorial on painting them. I'll have to look at that later. Worm gear. This one is specifically for my friend Natasha. She'll be painting that one. There's a whole bunch of loose guys in here, including Giant. So we got another Maul, the Undying, another dragon. Bunch of little guys in that one. We'll have to do that in a second. The vampire box itself. It's a good size. Frost Giant. Another one of the dragons. Apparently not all of them deserve the box treatment. Guess it has to do with how many pieces there are. Another dragon. Fire Giant. I'm actually not sure what that is. And Frost Giant. Get another dragon. We have a few of those, it looks like. One of the Frost Giants. Their spear's a little bent. Honestly, the packaging on these could have been a little bit better. Just a little bit. Some demons and a cultist. There's some awful big wings. I'm kind of curious to see how that turns out with such a small figure. Another demon. And a case with no markings whatsoever on it. Inside the little box we have, I'm not sure what. More demons. Sahagin. Turned off the camera a second just to get that open, and wow, it's just a lot of stuff to go through. Looks like all of the stretch rewards actually got folded in, so I'm just going to leave all those in their boxes for now, or bags rather. Anyway, that's all of it. It's been a long time coming. I'm looking forward to seeing how these paint.